Experiencing call failures on Total Wireless? Let's diagnose. First, are your calls blocked? This happens due to unpaid bills, roaming issues, or spam filters. If that's not it, the problem might be VoLTE, Voice over LTE. VoLTE uses your data network for calls, improving quality. Weak signals or software bugs can cause VoLTE failures. Try toggling VoLTE off and on. In August 2025, a major outage showed that disabling and re-enabling VoLTE could fix issues. If blocked calls and VoLTE aren't the issue, perform a network reset. This clears glitches by resetting network settings like Wi-Fi passwords and APN. On iOS, go to Settings, then General, then Reset, and select Reset Network Settings. Android has a similar option. Navigate to Settings, then General Management, then Reset, and choose Reset Network Settings. After the reset, re-enter the Total Wireless APN, which is Total by Verizon. Remember to back up your data before performing any resets. Looking ahead, Total Wireless is moving towards VoNR, Voice over New Radio, using 5G, aiming to reduce call failures. AI-driven diagnostics are also trending, which can automate troubleshooting. Keep your device firmware updated, as updates often address call connectivity issues. By 2027, rural call drop rates are projected to drop 25% due to investments in edge computing.